Hey everyone, this is Ian from Made by Hemp, and today I'm about to announce the winner from our contest that we had over the past weekend. If you guys were not able to enter the contest, all that the entrants had to do was to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and they would be getting a tincture, a salve, and a patch, all from our Made by Hemp product line. That winner today is Bob and Trains. Thank you, Bob, for entering into this awesome giveaway. And to everyone else, we just want to say thank you for entering just in the first place, because we had the biggest turnout of any giveaway that we have ever done, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, through our email list. And yeah, it was just an awesome thing to see the huge response that you guys had. So if you didn't win today, do not worry, because we will be having a lot more giveaways in the future and other contests. So feel free to stay subscribed. And on top of that, just be on the lookout for all of our other videos we're going to be putting out over the next couple of weeks. They're going to be all educational, based on CBD and the hemp industry. Some really awesome stuff coming out. Actually, tomorrow we do have a video coming out on CBD concentrates and what makes them different from other CBD products. So you guys will definitely want to tune in and watch that video tomorrow when it gets posted. Thanks for everyone that entered the contest. Have a great week. This is Ian from Made by Hemp, signing off.